Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to show you a fun and innovative gardening project, growing your own strawberries using a simple plastic bottle. Whether you have a large garden or live in a cozy apartment, this method will help you grow delicious strawberries right at home. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Before we dive into the planting process, let's gather everything you'll need. A clean plastic bottle, preferably a 2-liter bottle, though a smaller one works if space is tight. Strawberry seedlings or seeds. Beginners might find it easier to start with seedlings. High-quality potting soil that drains well and is rich in organic matter. A pair of scissors or a sharp utility knife to cut the bottle. A small piece of cloth or mesh to cover the drainage holes. This helps keep the soil in place while letting excess water drain out. A watering can or spray bottle for controlled watering. Optional, some organic compost or fertilizer to give your strawberries an extra boost. Make sure you've got a sunny spot ready for your strawberry bottle. These plants thrive in sunlight. Let's begin by preparing our plastic bottle. Start by removing any labels so you can see inside as your plants grow. Then, using your scissors or utility knife, carefully cut a large window on one side of the bottle. The window should be about 3 to 4 inches wide and run vertically along the middle. This will give your strawberry plants room to grow while keeping the soil contained. Leave about 2 to 3 inches of plastic at the bottom of the bottle intact to hold the soil and provide a base for your plants. Flip the bottle over and cut a few small holes in the bottom to serve as drainage holes. These will allow excess water to escape, preventing root rot. If you're concerned about soil spilling out, place a small piece of cloth or mesh over the holes from the inside of the bottle. And that's it, your bottle is now prepped and ready to become a mini strawberry planter. Next, let's prepare the soil. Strawberries thrive in well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. If you're using standard potting soil, you're off to a great start, but we can make it even better. Consider mixing in some organic compost to enrich the soil with essential nutrients and improve its texture, helping it retain just the right amount of moisture. To create the ideal soil mix, combine 2 parts potting soil with 1 part compost and mix thoroughly in a large bowl or container. If you don't have compost, an organic fertilizer will work too, just follow the package instructions. The goal is to create a nutrient-rich, loose soil mixture that will allow your strawberry roots to grow freely. Once your soil mix is ready, it's time to start planting. Now comes the exciting part, planting our strawberries. Start by filling the bottom 2 to 3 inches of the bottle with your prepared soil mixture. This will form the base that supports your plants. If you're using strawberry seedlings, gently remove them from the nursery pots, being careful not to disturb the roots too much. Place the seedling into the bottle with the roots facing down and the crown, the part where the roots meet the leaves, just above the soil level. If you're starting with seeds, sprinkle a few on top of the soil and lightly press them in. Strawberry seeds should be planted about 1/4 inch deep. Cover them with a thin layer of soil, just enough to hide them from view. After your plants or seeds are in place, add more soil to the bottle until it's about 1 inch below the edge of the window. Press the soil down gently to eliminate any air pockets, but don't pack it too tightly, the roots need space to spread out. Your strawberry plants are now snug in their new home. All that's left is to give them a good drink. Water your strawberries thoroughly right after planting. The soil should be moist but not soggy. Too much water can drown the roots, while too little will leave your plants thirsty. A watering can with a fine spout or a spray bottle works well, especially for controlling the amount of water and preventing damage to the delicate roots. Place your bottle in a sunny spot where it can get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. If you're growing indoors, a sunny windowsill or balcony is perfect. Over the next few days and weeks, keep an eye on the soil moisture. The top of the soil should feel slightly dry before you water again. If you notice the leaves wilting or turning yellow, it could be a sign of either overwatering or underwatering, so adjust your watering habits accordingly. Remember, strawberries prefer consistent moisture but don't like to sit in water. Check the soil regularly and water as needed. As your strawberry plants grow, you'll start to see new leaves, followed by small white flowers. These flowers will eventually turn into the strawberries we're all waiting for. During this growth period, you might need to add a bit more soil to the bottle as the plants grow taller. This helps keep the roots covered and provides extra support. If you're growing indoors, consider rotating the bottle every few days to ensure all sides of the plant get equal sunlight. Outdoors, nature will take care of this for you. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids or slugs. If you notice any, you can remove them by hand or use a natural insecticide to protect your plants. It's also a good idea to prune any dead or yellowing leaves. This not only keeps your plant healthy but also improves air circulation, which can prevent diseases. After about 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the variety and growing conditions, your strawberries will start to ripen. They'll turn a deep red color and will be firm to the touch. This is when they're ready to be harvested. To harvest, gently grasp the strawberry and twist it off the stem. Be careful not to pull too hard to avoid damaging the plant or unripe berries. Freshly picked strawberries are at their peak of sweetness and flavor. There's nothing quite like the taste of a homegrown berry. Enjoy them fresh, add them to your favorite desserts, or even freeze them for later use. And there you have it. With just a little effort and a few simple materials, you've grown your own strawberries right at home. Whether you have a big garden or just a sunny window, this project is a great way to enjoy the fruits of your labor, literally. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and innovative gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.